Good morning, guys. I'm going to go over your summer reading assignment with you, so that way you can get started on it today. So your summer reading assignment is going to be over the book that you read this summer from the assigned list. Now, for my new students that moved into the district that didn't know about the assigned list, you have a couple of options, and I'll go over those here in just a moment. But for my students who knew about it, that were here in Northwest last year at any Northwest school, you are going to use the summer reading book from the summer reading list, and you are going to complete the project. For my students that are brand new to Northwest, if you read any book over the summer, you are welcome to use that book and complete the assignment using that book, or you can go to the list and choose another book. So the list, I've sent it out. It's also posted here on Moodle, right here under Summer Reading Choices. So what you guys are going to do, though, is you're going to go to the project so you can look at it. So when you click on this assignment, it's going to pull it up. It's going to look a little different. Let's see if we can get it to work here. It's going to pull up in Kami. And what Kami is it pulls up PDFs that you can actually annotate and write on. So when you first pull it up, it's going to ask you to make an account within Kami, and you use your school account, your school Google account, and it's going to automatically log you in. So when you pull it up, it should look something like this once you get in and using your Kami account. And this is the actual assignment. So you can complete any of the activities you would like to do, and you have to have it completed by September the 19th. You can choose any combination of activities, but you must complete at least one activity from the plot section and one activity from the theme section. Your goal is to get at least 100 points, but you can earn up to extra 20 extra points of extra credit. You can be as creative as you want. You have to share your plan September 19th, and you can turn your assignments in as you complete them, or you can turn them in all at one time. And guys, in regards to turning assignments in, you have a couple of options. You can email your assignments to me. If you do them on a Google Doc, you can share them with me. And you can also turn them in on Moodle, which I will have a Dropbox on Moodle for summer reading assignments. But these are the different activities. You don't have to do every one of these, guys. If you notice over here, there are point values for all the different assignments. So for example, if you want to do setting, you could make a new book cover for your novel. That's going to give you 15 points. You could do conflict, illustrate the conflict through an in-depth drawing, which means you just draw a picture. Well, if you do those two, now you're up to 30 points. Now remember, you have to do one from plot and you have to do one from theme. So you could record a news report, which would give you 25 points. You could write a song, which would give you 15 points. And you want to try to get up to at least 100 points, because that means you get a 100 on a summative assignment. And for those of you who are new, a summative is our test grade. So once you complete it, guys, you send me your assignments, and that's all you have to do. Now then, this down here is some description of how to complete your assignments. I am very flexible in this, guys. So if there's some things in here you're like, I don't think that's going to work for me, let me know and we will work it out. There's a lot of flexibility in your summer reading assignments. Now, once you complete, and if you want to do the checklist on here for a Kami assignment, you just hit save, and now the assignment will be saved to your drive, and you can share it with me as well. If you have questions about the summer reading project, summer reading book, send me an email. Please ask when we do get back into Zooms, and I'll be happy to answer any of those questions for you guys.